Hello, and welcome to my kitchen. No, I will not be cooking today. However, I will be disassembling the Staccato XL 2011. For the internet RO police, we are safe and clear. No ammo in sight, we're good to go. First thing we want to do is we're going to put it into slide lock. Like so. Then you're going to press this little button here, and you're going to take it to kind of like a second indented slide lock right there. Okay. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to pop the slide release lever out. Now, most guys can do it, just with flick of a finger. I'm going to use my handy dandy tool. And we got it. Ta-da! Okay. Now we can put our frame and our slide apart. And it has a beautiful toolless guide rod. It's a lot easier to clean and disassemble, etc., etc. All you have to do is push it down, and you'll see that it has like an indent here, and you want to press that down, and that'll lock it in place like so. And as you're taking it out, you want to rotate it a little bit, like so. And then the beautiful thing about the Staccato 2011 is that the barrel, it's so easy. Want to see that again? That. Make sure this lever is down, and it'll just slide right out. Beautiful. And that's it. We've disassembled the Staccato XL 2011.